Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom stickers on WhatsApp using two different methods. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, open WhatsApp on your smartphone and go to a conversation where you want to send stickers. Tap the sticker icon on the right side of the message text box, then tap the plus sign to add a new sticker. You can choose to create a sticker from a photo on your device or use the AI option to generate one for you. Let me show you how both methods work. First, to create a sticker using a photo, tap the option to use a photo. Select an image from your camera roll. Depending on the image, WhatsApp may offer several design options at the bottom, such as the original image or a version with the background removed. Tap the version you want to use. You can then use the tools at the top to add emojis, text, or even doodle on your sticker. These work just like WhatsApp's usual customization options for images and status updates. Once you're happy with your design, tap the blue arrow at the bottom to send your sticker. Now for the AI option, tap the plus sign in the sticker menu and select Generate with AI. Enter the description prompt for the type of sticker you want. If you're not sure what to type, WhatsApp provides example prompts for inspiration. The AI will generate photo sticker options based on your input. If you like one of the stickers, simply tap it to send it. If you're not satisfied, you can refine your prompt to get closer to what you want. Once you have sent a custom sticker in a chat, it will appear in your sticker menu under Recently Used. This makes it easy to reuse your custom stickers in other conversations. This is for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.